Hi everybody, this is Natasha. I am owner of Williams Senior Care and co-owner of Assisted Living World Academy. So at Assisted Living World Academy, what we're going to do is give you real life, real experience of what it takes to get a facility open in Texas. So I am on site. Facilities that I am operating. I am in the process of getting Texas state license. We had our first inspection and we did not pass. There were a few things that we needed to fix, which I went over in another video, so you might have to look at the video if you missed it. But now I'm back. I am here to check on the work that was done and make sure everything is good and clean up. So you guys get first dibs on how it is operating a facility and getting everything up. This is the inside of the facility. You see here, y'all gonna see boxes of all the ceiling fans. Here's my little office when I come here. This is pretty much like the waiting area, sitting area when people come into the facility. Usually have my TV on, displaying pictures or playing music. I love meditation music. So here we had a sprinkler riser missing, so I'm still waiting on my sprinkler guy to come here to put a riser. So every room, not a riser, a sprinkler head. Every room needs to be fitted with a sprinkler head. Excuse some of the rooms. Again, we did renovations, so we kind of need to come back and clean up and straighten up everything. So these rooms was really dark, but now, as you can see, it's a little bit brighter in here. And I am going to test the brightness to see if it's okay with state, because they said it was a little dark. So again, everything is a mess. I'm about to come in and clean up and get back ready so we can tour. This is the nurse's station. This is one of the other larger rooms that we have. We had to put extra lighting in here. It was just so dark, so dark. So nurse's station, kitchen, living room. We moved some of the furniture so we could paint, and this whole wall had to be sheetrock. So as you can see, we sheetrocked the wall because it had wood paneling here. So just gotta make sure we have sheetrock. If you have wood in your home, pull it down, sheetrock everything. All of this had wood paneling. The ceiling had wood paneling. And we had to come in here and sheetrock everything. So this hallway. Also, we had a leak here. My guy came in, sprinkler guy came in and fixed a leak. So of course he has to fix it and situate that back right. So he would come back and do that. Now this hallway is pretty much a mixture of private room. So they came in, they said that nothing was wrong with this room actually. We just switched out all the ceiling fans. I'm gonna put them in the garage. So this is a private room. They say this can be a semi-private room. So we're gonna probably get it staged for a semi-private room. We have our bathroom here. Room 3 is big enough for a private room. Come in here and clean up. Room 4 is a semi-private room. Okay, got the lights. I'm gonna measure the lights, making sure it's bright enough in here. So this hallway alone, I can get 2, 4, 5, 6 people. So 6 residents can be in this hallway alone.